Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a Gif Animation. What is the meaning of Gif Animation? Means you want to use some images you can give to the movement, that is called a Gif Animation. Now guys, I want to select this background, and here again I want to come to the my home button and I want to select this walk cycle poses. Okay, now what happened guys, this walk cycle poses I want to just drag and drop on this background here. Just guys, here it is. I want to see here my index mode, it is there. That index mode I want to remove, means just I want to go to the image and I want to select into the RGB color mode. When I want to select RGB color mode, that time I can drag and drop these poses here like this. When I want to drag my poses here, then guys I want to go to the view and I want to select the tick mark from rulers. When I want to select tick mark from rulers, that time my rulers panel is open in my Photoshop. Why I am using means this walk cycle poses, it is there now. I want to still one place I can do the walk cycle. That is the reason guys I want to select this rulers. Now what happened, I want to just select my rulers and I want to just guys, what is my first pose, it is there. That first pose I want to do like this type of alignment here. When I want to do like this type of alignment, then guys I want to come to the my layer panel. In that layer panel you want to select the layer 0 and you want to select the lasso tool. When you want to select the lasso tool, then just guys I want to select my first pose here. When I want to select my first pose, that time you want to go to the layer panel, layer menu. You want to go to the layer menu and you want to select layer via cut. When I want to do the layer via cut, that time you want to see guys my first pose, it is coming in my layer 2. Here you want to put 101 poses. Okay, when you want to first pose, otherwise you want to type the first pose. Okay, same thing you want to again you want to select the layer 1. After that guys you want to come to the move toolbar and you want to select the move tool. Then you want to just guys here you want to move like that type, means this pose you want to just drag and drop in that 4 lines in between. After that guys, again same procedure, you want to select the lasso tool and you want to select this pose here. When you want to select this pose, after that you want to just go to the layer menu and you want to select layer via cut. When I want to select layer via cut, it is coming to the layer 2. When it is coming to the layer 2, that time it is I want to type it here second pose. Okay, again I want to close this eye symbol. Again I want to select my move tool and select this layer 1 and I am using my arrow button and I want to drag and drop the third pose in that 4 lines in between. When it is coming to the 4 lines in between, that time again I want to select my lasso tool and I want to select it. Again go to the layer pan menu and new and layer via cut. See guys, one more new layer it is coming here. I want to put third pose here. When I want to select my third pose, then guys you want to just close here. Again same thing guys, you want to select the layer 1 and select the move tool. And when I want to select the move tool and I want to just drag and drop here. When I want to drag and drop, that time I want to select my lasso tool and I want to just you want to select like that type. After that guys, same procedure, you want to go to the layer menu and layer via cut. Again here you want to type it the 4th pose. When you want to select the 4th pose and you want to close this eye symbol, again you want to do the same procedure guys. I want to do little bit fast here. Just again you want to select the lasso tool and select this pose and Control Shift J. When I want to press Control Shift J and I want to close this eye symbol, again I want to select the move tool and I want to just drag here. When I want to just drag here, then guys I am using my lasso tool. When I am using my lasso tool, then guys I want to just press Control Shift J. Again here you want to type it fifth pose, and here you want to put sixth pose. Okay, and just close this eye symbol. Again I want to select the layer 1, and when I want to select the layer 1 and I want to put here 4 lines in between, again I want to select my lasso tool and I want to just guys I want to drag and drop here like this, and again I want to press Ctrl Shift J and you want to select 7th pose. Okay, when I want to select the 7th pose, then guys you want to select the move tool and you want to just drag and drop here. When I want to drag and drop, that is called a my 8th pose. Okay, see guys, here total 8 poses is there. When you want to do the walk cycle, the first pose and last pose is the same. That is the reason guys, my first pose I want to take one duplicate here. Okay, just I want to press Ctrl J. That first pose copy I want to bring in last. Now guys, what happened? How to we can create a GIF animation means, first you want to see here my all eye symbol is closed. After that guys, you want to go to the Windows menu and you want to select the timeline. When I want to select the timeline here, it is showing to the two types of timeline here. In the timeline, I want to select the frame animation. When I want to select the frame animation, then guys, my timeline, it is showing like this here. Okay. When my timeline, it is showing like that time you want to see guys, here in timeline here one plus symbol it is there, that is called a created duplicate selected frame. First you want to create a first here you want to see guys, here one first frame is there now. In that first frame I want to put one my first pose here. After that guys, you want to take a duplicate frame. Then guys, you want to close the first pose eye symbol and you want to open the second pose, and here you want to select that one. Again you want to close this second pose and you want to open the eye symbol of third pose. Again you want to take a duplicate selected frame, again third pose eye symbol you want to close, and fourth pose, and same procedure you want to do it here. When I want to finish my all poses here, then guys you want to come to the timeline and here you want to see, here you want to play. That time you want to see guys, my walk cycle it is going on here. You want to do little bit fast your walk cycle means, that time you want to come to the timeline. Here you want to select the first frame and press shift button and you want to select the last frame. Then guys you want to increase your no delay, you want to select. When you want to select the no delay, that time it is coming little bit fast movement here. Like that type you want to use this walk cycle. After finishing your all poses, all frames, then guys you want to go to the file menu and you want to select export option. In that export option you want to select the save for web legacy button, and here you want to see three types of option is there. One is HTML and images, and images only and HTML only. Depend on the client requirement. Client is asking only image format means you want to select the image format. Otherwise client is asking the HTML format means you can select the HTML. Now I am selecting the HTML and image, and just I want to save button. When I want to click my save button, that time it is save on my that folder. I want to come and I want to open here you want to see here my HTML format, and here in that image only, this is my image format. This image format I want to open, guys. When I want to open this image format, just you want to see, guys, here my walk cycle is going on here. See, it's loading, guys. See here my walk cycle. It is I am using the different type of poses, and I want to create my GIF animation. Like that type you want to use this GIF animation, guys. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.